Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like the past few months, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last Friday afternoon, so it's been a few days. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So with that being said, if you're watching this video several hours from now, yeah, the chart itself may look different, but from a presentation standpoint, my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by just talking about general levels and then walking you through some questions that, based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate and kind of help you, keep up to date on the current status of the chart. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, you know where I'm going to talk about here. But the level that we continue to watch and that I was very curious to see, if it could indeed hold over the weekend was down here at 6,500, which is represented by that green line. The reason 6,500 is so important, let me just do this, is that just represents the progress line, meaning is the price making progress or is the price going back to where it was? And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements are going back to where they were, that's not exactly a sign of genuine overall strength. I mean, if you think about it, if the price were to come down here, break below 6,500 and continue on down, at that point in time, you would literally have the price right back inside of this range of the chart where it was, before that very nice move happened right there. But to be fair and to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong over the weekend. On Friday, the last time I did the video, it was right around this, period of the chart where it was looking a little sketchy. Like the price may have been getting ready to crack down through 6,500. But like I said, to give credit where credit is due, the bulls ultimately did hold up. But still, as I talk right now, get that out of the way. As I talk right now, the price is kind of still within the range of the 6,500 mark, but it is still maintaining going forward. So really, whether you're watching this video 5 minutes from when it's posted or 5 hours or 15 hours or 20 hours, ask yourself, where's the price at relative to 6,500? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 6,500, that tells you that the progress point is still in play and that the overall chart does still have the opportunity to build that higher base, which, as I've explained, that's what you want to see. You want to see higher bases, going forward. And in this case, you want to see the price stay above 6,500 for the very simple reasoning of, well, if it's not above 6,500, then that is literally putting the price right back to where it was, which is not any sign of true bullishness. So we'll see how the next 24 hours play out. I plan on being back 24 hours from now. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.